Yo guys, what's up? Back at it again. Psych. It's a joke, we're not doing that. But today we're gonna be making the side skirts. I already cut them, but I think I'm gonna cut them again because I want them to kind of be perfect. Let's get outside and let's check them out. All right, so outside. Oh god, I'm just waking up. Let's see if we can get these shits on already. Also gotta fix this front lip. Screws are coming out. If I can screw them back in again. Yikes. More the mess in the back. Yeah, this is the blanket, and that's my work shirt. But here they are. Let's get an idea what they're gonna look like. So I have to spray paint in the back. I actually have to go buy spray paint, so try to get these on first and then see how it goes. Got the mask lined up. All I gotta do now is make sure it's kind of flush with this line. Well, it kind of isn't, but I think I can just push that out a bit. I don't know, we're experimenting. But all I need is to get this line, pressure that line, all the way through. All right, got some tools. The camera's somewhere, I'm gonna get to work and we'll see how it goes. All right guys, I got it on finally. Not the most even, but I guess it's okay. Not gonna really see that once it's on the ground, but if I paint that black, it should flow right through with this one. Screw that up. All right, guys. So finished product. What do you guys think? All I gotta do is paint it black. I'm gonna go to the store right now buy paint. But already makes the car look a hell of a lot more aggressive. Flows very well with the front lip. Like, damn, guys, come on, nice. So happy with it. Looks so good. Although it's automatic, I probably would keep it, guys. I love this car too much now, honestly. It's gorgeous.
I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys. And you'll see me holding up my middle finger to the world. Tuck your ribbons and your pearls, 'cause I'm not just a pretty girl. Some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch.
All I gotta do now is get that 10 mil space in the front, we're set.
You're done, bro!
Let's fucking go. Alright guys, ran into a slight issue, but we're good. Turns out I added way too much camber, so the axles weren't like grabbing properly, so I rode like shit. So sadly I can't have camber in the front. I mean, there is a little bit of camber, which isn't too bad, but it's not the amount I wanted. But I'm gonna have to leave it like that, or I'm just gonna start breaking stuff. And that's the last thing I want to do. So yeah, we're good, guys. We're good.